What is up, guys? As y'all know, I got 3 new puppies last week. This guy here is Sam. Say hi, Sam. Yeah, this is Sam. Named after Yosemite Sam. This guy here is Albie. Named after Albie's a tiger. As y'all know, I'm an Auburn fan. And this little guy here is Elmer, named after Elmer Fudd. Killed the rabbit, killed the rabbit. Well, right now he's trying to have a wrestling match with Albie, but it says Sam, Elmer, and Albie. Hey, Sam. And that's the black and white one is Elmer, and the other black one is Albie. Again, named after Albie's a tiger. Sam, Elmer, and Albie. Alright, I'm gonna go back in the house, let y'all guys have some fun. See you later.